Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. So as usual, I'm starting off with the lock method. I am starting off with freshly shampooed hair. I didn't show y'all, but I left the conditioner in before the video. I'm also going to use the Main Choice daily hair dressing. It's kind of like a scalp grease, but it's not as heavy as grease, so I'm greasing my scalp with it. The next thing that I'll be using is Luster's Pink Glosser. It's like a little hair sheen spray. It just helps your hair to shine. I am also using Sista Girl Curls Essential Oil. It stimulates your hair and gets your hair growing. So you guys, if you need it, you can just click below. I'll leave a link for you to purchase. I'm also using olive oil. I'm just putting it all over my hair. And I just wanted to put this disclaimer out. All the oil that I'm using works for my curls. It may not work for yours. Do what works for yours. I'm using this Eden Natural Curl Defining Cream. All these steps are part of the lock method, which is leave-in conditioner, oil, and cream. I find it better to part your hair before styling or before doing the braid out because this reduces the frizz. And y'all also don't mind me because I'm using this small tooth comb or this rat tail comb, and I should be using a wide tooth comb. The wide tooth comb just makes the combing process so much easier. If you guys want to see a video of me really breaking down how to braid individual braids, you can leave a comment below and I will do that for you guys. But for now, just watch as I am braiding. I'm not going to show y'all slowly each braid, but you can just kind of get the picture. And once you get towards the end of the braid, you're going to take that small rat tail comb and comb out the ends. Use these cold wave rods and spin it and then wrap it around the cold wave rod. I know that's kind of confusing, but just watch how I did it. The reason that I'm using the cold wave rod is because it just kind of adds definition towards the end of my curls. This is really beneficial for people who have heat damage. If you use the cold wave rod at the end, it will pretty much look like you don't have heat damage at all. So there's a little nugget or a tip for y'all. So I've done all of my braids and I am going to let my hair air dry, sleep in it overnight. For you guys who it takes a while for your hair to dry, I have an extra tip, so just keep watching. I'm using the Cantu Oil Sheen. It just adds shine to the hair, it conditions it, and it also reduces frizz. There's also no particular way to take down these cold wave rods, so do you, boo-boo. Also, towards their takedown process of the braids, it's no bad way to take down the braids. You can just take them down. I would start slow because the faster you do it, if you're not, if you haven't done this style before, it could create frizz if you go too fast. So just try to take the braids down slowly and don't comb through them, because if you comb through them, you're gonna ruin the definition. So what I'm using right now, because my hair is still a little bit damp, I'm using the Curly Co diffuser, and I love this thing because it fits on any type of blow dryer, and I keep my blow dryer on low when I'm doing this, because if you put it on high, y'all's curls will be frizzy, and we don't want frizz for this style. So I'm just using it towards the ends of my hair, and then also towards the root, just to dry it. I had something to do this morning, so I really needed my hair to be dry, and I wanted it to be, perfect. So after about 10 15 minutes, my ends are dry, so I took the diffuser off, kept it on like medium, and just got the roots of my hair so that they'll be dry. I have Cantu deep conditioning spray that I just use over top to add like an extra sheen towards my look, and that parting is a no-no, so get you a pick and pick out the roots of your hair, but don't overpick, because if you do, you'll cause frizz. Just watch how I'm doing and do that. And once you finish picking out your hair, you can use your hands and like just fluff it out. This is the first day, so your curls won't be that big. This style lasted me about 5 days, which is the longest that any style has ever lasted me, any natural style. But just follow these steps and it'll last for you. As the days progress, the style will get bigger and prettier. So yeah, this is my final look. I hope y'all like it. Thank y'all for watching our channel. If you guys like it, share with a friend, give us a thumbs up, and also subscribe. You can also follow us on Instagram. But until next time, thank y'all for watching. See you soon.